If you are a leader who wakes up in the morning feeling tense, anxious, or overwhelmed, this is a video that's going to help you release some of that tension and some of those expectations. I'm Gurminder Banga, the founder of The Conscious Leader, and I've been a part of the 5 a.m. Club for many years. And the one thing they don't share with you about the 5 a.m. Club is that even though you wake up super early and you're really productive, you still feel like it's not enough. You still feel like there's more to do and your to-do list never ends. So in today's practice, I'm going to share a quick 5-minute meditation that you can do every single morning to help you feel more reset and feel more centered and let go of some of those anxious thoughts that you have early in the morning. So whenever you're ready, find yourself in a comfortable position, relax your shoulders, and feel free to close your eyes. Inhale through your nose. Exhale, let it go. Inhale for a mental count of 1. Exhale for 2. Inhale for 3. Exhale for 4. Inhale for 5. Exhale for 6. Inhale for 7. Let it go for 8. Inhale for 9. And as you exhale, exhale for 10 and let your body know that you are safe and you are relaxed. Visualize yourself standing by an ocean. By this ocean, see the waves. Hear the waves. Touch the water. Imagine your morning thoughts are like the waves. They feel chaotic. Imagine the waves with your deadlines, with your expectations, with all your emails. Feel the intensity and the turbulence of the waves. This is how your mind feels in the morning with all these thoughts. Just notice it, and if your mind wanders, don't beat yourself up, just come back to your natural breathing rhythm. Now as you're looking out into the water, look out further into the distance and notice that some parts of the ocean are more calm and more still. Slowly slow down your breathing, and as you slow down your breathing, visualize the water calming and relaxing. As you inhale and as you exhale, visualize those expectations slowly fading away. Visualize those deadlines slowly fading away. See the vastness of the whole ocean, the stillness of the ocean. Feel your breath slowing down. Feel your waves slowing down. Notice how the water has no urgency. Now for a moment, imagine what it looks like underneath the waves, underneath the water. What does it sound like underneath the water? Underneath your mind, there is stillness. There is a feeling of being grounded. Allow yourself to breathe into that stillness, into that calm, into that peace, into that balance, and into that ease. What is your intention for today? Breathe into that. And notice how, with this meditation, you are able to start your day with intention and not urgency, with stillness and not a mental storm. Anytime you feel that you need this practice, feel free to come back and visit it. Whenever you're ready, slowly wake up your body, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for being a part of today's practice. I upload new videos every single Monday to help you create and design an intentional life. If you want to explore meditation and mindfulness deeper to help improve your performance and your well-being, be sure to check out the description below to join our private and free community. Thank you for being here. Have an amazing day.